In today's video, we're going to take a look at a new add-on to Gravity Forms, AbuseIPDB, a name that I definitely might mess up as we go throughout this video here. AbuseIPDB version 1.0. I'm going to link up this blog post wherever you're watching this or listening to this video. Essentially, this is a collection of IP addresses that have been reported to this website, AbuseIPDB.com, for doing malicious activities. And this integrates with Gravity Forms, so now your Gravity Forms can be extra protected, especially when you're building out the anti-spam toolkit that we have put together, like Akismet, reCAPTCHA, Cloudflare, and Honeypot protection. Again, all of this stuff documented in this blog post so that you can go and explore more. We have other videos on the channel about this stuff. So effectively, one big database of IP addresses that have done bad things on the internet, therefore not letting them submit information to your Gravity Forms on your WordPress website. You can register for a free account at AbuseIPDB, which I have done. A free account gives you 1,000 checks a month. So if you're a small business or installing this on like a small business contact form, chances are they're not hitting that 1,000 form submissions in a month. But if you have a higher volume type of client or business that you're working on, but it is paramount to protect that form from spam or other malicious stuff that could be coming in. Very important sales forms, if you're in any kind of like government, local government, education setting, medical setting, legal setting, where information coming into that Gravity form is crucial that you're putting all of the spam protection against it. Well, it might be worth signing up for an AbuseIPDB account if needed. So simply add the add-on to my WordPress site. So let's go and add this. We're going to install AbuseIPDB add-on, activate it. And then we will go to Forms, Settings, AbuseIPDB. I'm going to go and grab my API key and drop this in here. And then save settings. And now I'm going to leave. I'm not going to edit out this API key because I will delete it and rotate it. But basically, just setting it up for the first time, it's the number of days to check for IP reports. Default is 30. Abuse confidence score at 50, which puts you right in between, like, you know, is this going to be flagged as spam or not? Enable AbuseIPDB by default, so it's just on by default. And then if you have block list settings, use the settings below to block specific countries or domains, ignoring values from the above basic settings. Like I want to outright block these, either country codes or domains. You can add that right here. And then lastly, if you want to turn off AbuseIPDB on a particular form, you can go to any of your form settings, go to the AbuseIPDB setting, and it's either enable or disabled. That's the only form setting that you're going to get on an individual basis. Otherwise, it's all of the global settings we just took a look at. And it's all about protection. There's not much you're going to have to configure here. You can just kind of go through and maybe you're troubleshooting a contact form that you want to make sure that all form entries come through, or you don't want to have a particular form go against your free 1,000 checks per month at the AbuseIPDB API key that you set up before. You can just disable it on a per form setting. Once again, check out the blog post that has all of this stuff outlined. More importantly, you can find the other add-ons that we have in what we call the Anti-Spam Toolkit, stuff that we've covered before on the channel and on learn.gravity.com. So check that stuff out as well. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. Leave a comment below. We'll see if we can get those questions answered for you. I'll see you in the next video.